Marty Preschool is committed to providing parents with complete transparency and access to their child's education. As the first school in the region to offer live camera access, parents can watch their children in real time, ensuring their child's safety and giving them peace of mind. Live cameras also serve as a deterrent to anyone who might consider child abuse. Our cutting-edge mobile app with real-time notifications helps parents stay up to date on their child's education. It provides information on activities, progress reports, and upcoming events. This app keeps parents informed and involved in their child's education, even when they are not physically present in the school. Marty Preschool uses a unique technique of education for children aged 2.5 to 5, with classes from playgroup to LKG. Our 4-room concept of education offers different learning activities in each room, with students changing rooms every 30 minutes. We believe in learning through fun and do not burden our students or parents with excessive workloads. We are proud of our active social media platforms and YouTube channel, which showcases our students' performances and achievements. We dedicate these platforms to sharing the accomplishments of our students with their families and the wider community. At Marty Preschool, we strive to provide our students with the best possible education in a safe and nurturing environment. We believe that every child has the potential to succeed, and our innovative and unique approach to education aims to bring out the best in every student. Marty Preschool is proud to have the highest Google and Facebook reviews in Neemuch. Our satisfied parents have consistently given us 5-star ratings, praising our unique approach to education and commitment to the safety and well-being of our students. Many of our reviewers have labeled us as the best school in Neemuch, and we take great pride in this title. Our dedication to transparency, innovative techniques, and creating a fun and safe learning environment has earned us the trust and admiration of our parents and the community. We continue to strive for excellence and maintain our position as the top preschool in Neemuch, providing our students with the best possible education and preparing them for a bright and successful future.